What's up, fam? Welcome to another travel vlog.
Miami con un par de cuero, yeah. Lo que quiero es gozar el dinero y nada más. Tres historias, solo un caballero, yeah, yeah. Yo no vengo a ronquear, solo vengo pa' contar. Pa' Miami con un par de cuero, yeah. Lo que quiero es gozar el dinero y nada más. Tres historias, solo un caballero,
In this video, we're gonna go around Miami, Florida. It's our first time here, so we're pretty stoked. We've never been here before, so we'll see where the wind takes us. Let's go. So what's the plan today?
Well, today we're going to like places in Miami, which we're in right now. And I think when we get back, like in the evening, I'm gonna go swimming.
Sounds like a plan. Let's go, are you excited? What's up, guys? First stop is Little Havana. It's our first time here. We've never been here before. This is what it looks like right now. Check it out. This place reminds me of the Philippines. So friggin' hot here right now. So what do you think, Sophia? Do you like it? Do you like it?
This chicken.
So guys, they also have like a mini Hollywood like Walk of Fame or something. I don't know who they are though. This whole strip here, all the way over there and there. So this is only like, I think like 6-7 minutes drive from our hotel where we're staying at the Indigo Hotel. So yeah, we're gonna keep walking. I'll show you what's here. Let's go. By the way, guys, the name of this whole strip here, it's called Calle Ocho. So have you guys been here before? Comment down below.
Le dedico la luna a mi hermosa estrella. Y no escuché lo que dicen, pa' mí eres bella. Eres perfecta por fuera, ya, y más perfecta por dentro, ya. Y no escuché lo que dicen, pa' mí eres bella. Perfecta, bebé, para mí es de cabeza a los pies. No escuché lo de la gente, bebé.
So currently taking pictures of this famous Cuban rooster. And I guess this bakery is really famous, guys. El Pub Restaurant. If you've been here before, comment down below. Let me know if it's good.
You can come and grab it, please, because
I guess we're gonna line up for this bakery.
Because some years ago, they were filming here the bottles, and he came and tried the food here. He liked it so much that he kept coming.
And this is like their little Cuban coffee shop. Looks pretty cool, guys. Wow, this is a domino park. Everyone's just playing domino here. This is so cool, guys.
Belleza interior, de eso se trata el amor. No existe la perfección. Y si lo hay, pues eres tú, baby. Y si lo hay, pues eres tú, baby. Por eso quiero más de ti. Amate a ti, baby. Que te lo mereces, te amo tanto. Y eso que en unos meses me fleche. Toda la suerte si me la eche. Si no miras como tú me ves. Tú tienes un lugar en mi corazón donde vas a estar por toda la vida, corazón. También en mi mente un montón. Es que tienes un lugar.
Trying out the cheese empanada or chicken empanada. Alright guys, so this is our second stop. We're at Ocean Drive here in South Beach. It looks fire. I love it here. There's so many people here though. So we're about to go take a picture over there. You see the sign back there? You see it? Miami Beach. There's a big fat line, so we're gonna wait until later. So we're just gonna walk around here for a little bit. This place is such a vibe. Alright guys, so they're currently buying some souvenirs over there. But if you go, like the main street is over there. And then if you go this way, let me show you real quick. There's a beach volleyball here. There you go. Alright, there's some coconut juice over here. They got some free sample. Let's try it out. And I try.
If you have 4 quarters, I'll give you $2.
Coconut shouldn't have it. I'll show you.
Alright, let's try it. See if it's good. If it's good, I'll buy some. Fire. Alright guys, so if you're ever here in South Beach, Miami, make sure you try this. It's pretty bust. It's really good. Except it's a little pricey. This is like 10 bucks. It's really small, but it's worth it. Really, really, really refreshing.
We still the same ones. When it come to chats, we don't take none. Cheese. Bad man Jamaican. Trinity global sensation. Mobbing till the day come, yeah, till the day come. Red, white, black flag, daddy gon' shake some. Green, yellow, black flag, rude gal shake some. We don't want no drama in this, so don't make none. Mobbing till the day come, yeah, till the day come. And the day came, still thumbing through the night, chance of light rain. I guess I really gotta show you about this Trinity King. I guess this is how it is when you from the island, man. So I took a flight to Tobago, FOG down. Man's on the ends, Londonville to the C-town. Remo with a schemer and a beamer with the T down. And she wanna know me, tell me, baby, what you need now? A little buddy. Bubble up your pop, mix the curry, go dummy. Whole fam, ice on no funny. From the Ville to the Ville, shout out Teddy, that's the Tuggy.
Alright fam, so this is our third location. We're at the Bayside something. Can't remember exactly where it is. So this is what it looks like out here. So I guess we're gonna ride the Ferris wheel. I think, not sure. We'll see. So they're currently over there right now. My nephew is vlogging. Let's see if we can find the Philippines flag over here. Guys, there's more empanada place here. Check it out. Looks fire. This is the actual restaurant, the industrial restaurant. My brother-in-law really wanted to eat there, but it's really crowded. So we actually tried the empanada earlier, and it's actually really, really good. I've tried empanadas in Puerto Rico in the past, and no one has ever topped that just yet. I like the empanada in Puerto Rico better.
Miami con un par de cuero, yeah. Lo que quiero es gozar el dinero y nada más. Tu historia es solo un caballero, yeah. Yo no vengo a ronquear, solo vengo pa' contar. Pa' Miami con un par de cuero, yeah. Lo que quiero es gozar el dinero y nada más. Tu historia es solo un caballero, yeah. Yo no vengo a ronquear, solo vengo pa' contar, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Miami, esta vaina está al tope. Poniéndome bien y lo armamos un derroche. Un saludo a la mami, la veo en el bloque. Meneando su cadera en honor a esta noche. La cartera Louis V, me la ponen en mi mesa. Me sirven mi Genesis.
Alright guys, we're actually here at 1-800-LUCKY. This is where we're having dinner. Yes. Let's go. We have some vinyls over there. Whoa, what is this? This is what the place looks like. Oh, it's like a food court. There's Japanese over there. I don't know what else is in here, but let's go.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight.
Alright guys, guys, I think I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Alright, if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe. Alright, I'm outie. Deuces.